welcome back to Math with Mr. DJ. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about how to find the percent of a number. Let's start off with, what is 45% of 36? What is 50% of 36? Well, that's half, right? 50% is 50 per 100, so that's half of 36. Half of 36 is 18. So if we're looking for 45% of 36, we need to think about a number that's a little under 18 if we were estimating, thinking about our answer. A strategy that you could use to find 45% of 36 is what I like to call the 10-5-1% rule. If you know how to find 10% of a number, you can find 1% of a number, and you can find 5% of a number. So remember, 10% of a number is just 1/10 of that number. So 1 part out of 10 of 36. And because our number system is in base 10, 1/10 of a number is just moving the decimal over 1 spot. So for example, in the number 36, you're just simply moving it over 1 spot because you're dividing that number by 10. 36 broken up into 10 parts is 3.6. Okay, so if you know how to find 10% of a number, 10% of 36 is equal to 3.6. So you could do another 10% equals 3.6, and then another 10% of 36 equals 3.6. And we can do another 10% that's of 36 equals 3.6. 5% of 36. 5% of 36 is half of 3.6, which is 1.8. So now we just have to add all of that together. 16.2, or 16 2/10. 45% of 36 is 16.2, or 16 2/10. Another strategy that I've seen students do, instead of doing the 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 5%, you could say, well, you know that 50% of 36 is 18, and you know 5% of 36 is 1.8, so 45% must be the 50% minus that 5%. So you could do 18 minus 1.8, and that would give you 16.2, or 16 2/10. All right, let's move on to the next one. What is 32% of 120? Now again, think about what is 10%, 5%, 1%. So we're trying to find 32% of 120, so I'm going to do 10%, 10%, 10%, 1%, 1%. 10% of 120, 10% of 120 would be 12. Okay, we need 3 of those. So we need another 10% is 12. Another 10% of 120 is 12. So that's 10%, 10%, 10%. That's 30% so far. But now, how do I find 1% of 120? Well, 1% of 120 is just 2 hops to the left because it's divided by 10, or divided by 100. So we're just moving it over 1 more spot to find 1%, 1.2. And then we need 1 more 1%, 1.2. Now we have to add all this up. What is 32% of 120? Well, it's 38.4, or 38 4/10. Because we found 10%, 10%, 10%, 1%, 1%. That's 32% of 120. All right, let's move on to the next one. Problem number 3. What is 102% of 160? For this problem, you're asking for what is a number greater than 100% of 160 here. So what is 102% of 160? What's 100% of 160, right? Or what's 100% of any number? 100% of any number is itself. 100% of 160 is 160. So we're looking for 102% of 160. So we need to figure out what is 1% of 160. Double that and add that to 160. So we know how to do that because we know the 10-5-1, 10%, 5%, 1%. So 1% of 160 is equal to, let's see here. Remember the decimals right here, even though we can't see it. Now we move it over 1 spot. That's 10% of 160. So 1% is divided by another 10. It'd be 1.6. Okay, now we need to find another 1% of 160 because we're looking for 102% in all equals 1.6. We're doing 100% of 160, then we're doing 1% of 160, and then another 1% of 160, and we're adding that all together. 102% of 160 is 163.2, or 163 and 2/10, which makes sense because 100% of 160 is 160. So 102% of 160 is a little bit more than 160, and 163 and 2/10 is a little bit more than 160. Our answer makes sense. All right, let's move on to the fourth problem. Let's keep going. The fourth problem is, what is 205% of 80? So remember, 100% of 80 equals 80. We're looking for 205% of 80. So another 100% of 80 is 80. So far that's 200% of 80, which would be 80 plus 80, which is 160. So we know 200% of 80 is 160. So we're looking for now 205%. Well, what is 10% of 80? 10%, knowing 10% of 80 will help us find 5% of 80 because we can just cut that number in half. So 10% of 80 is just going to be moving the decimal over one spot. So 10% of 80 is 8 because 8 is 1 part out of 10 parts of 80. If 10% of 80 is 8, that means 5% of 80 must equal 4. And 100% plus 100% plus 5%, that's 205%. We just add all of this up. We get 80 plus 80 is 160 plus 4, 164. So what is 205% of 80? It is 164. Awesome. If you found value in this video, please take a moment and share it with your friends. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.